In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Trello on your PC or desktop. Trello is an excellent tool for managing tasks, organizing projects, and keeping your workflow on track, all from the convenience of your desktop. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, I'll guide you through the simple process of downloading and installing Trello, so let's get started. First, you'll need to download Trello. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official Trello download page at trello.com/platforms. This page provides everything you need for your desktop application, so it's where you'll be starting your journey. Once you're on the page, scrub your way down to the section titled Desktop Apps. Here you'll find download options tailored for your operating system. If you're on a Windows machine, click on Download for Windows, but if you're using Mac OS, you'll want to select Download for Mac. These options will start the download process for a file that you'll need to install the application. After downloading, the next step is installation. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. If you're using Windows, it will typically be a .exe file, while Mac OS users should look for a .img file. Double-click this file to open it, which will kick off the installation process. You'll see a series of on-screen installation steps. These are usually very straightforward, involving clicking on Next a few times and agreeing to the software's terms and conditions. Follow these prompts and the installer will take care of the rest. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Trello right away. You can find the application icon either on your desktop or in your start menu on Windows. On a Mac, check your applications folder or use Spotlight Search to locate the app. Give it a click to open it up. With Trello up and running, you'll want to sign in or create an account to start managing your projects. If you already have a Trello account, go ahead and enter your login credentials. For those new to Trello, there's an option to sign up for an account, which you can quickly do right from the app interface. Once logged in, you'll notice that your boards sync automatically with the web version, ensuring continuity and real-time updates across all your devices. And there you have it, a fully functional Trello desktop application ready to streamline your workflow. Whether you're planning projects, managing team tasks, or simply organizing your personal to-dos, having Trello on your desktop can greatly enhance productivity and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!